Is a day really made up of 24 hours? Time is usually defined as the continued sequence of existence and events that occurs in an apparently irreversible succession from the past, through the present, into the future. What is really the time taken from today's sunrise to the next day's sunrise? Does it really take 24 hours? 1,440 minutes? Or 86,400 seconds? Let's find out what scientists, astrologers, and physicists have to say.
But understanding time is essential to understanding relativity.
The greatest theoretical physicist, Albert Einstein, mentioned in his special theory of relativity that time is relative. In other words, the rate at which time passes depends on one's frame of reference. Each day, the Earth spins around its axis and we see the sun rise and fall. While the Egyptians divided the day into 12 parts for each period when there is sunlight and without sunlight, resulting in a total of 24 hours, scientists divided astronomical events to get 60 seconds per minute. They have also discovered that there are about 8 rare minutes made up of 61 seconds every 10 years. Scientists have also discovered that depending on how humans choose to measure days, the number of hours per day can be different. Do you know that we can also say that each day is made up of 23 hours and 56 minutes? To understand this, let's talk about 2 different types of day. A day measured by the completion of a 360-degree rotation of Earth around its axis is called the sidereal day. A day based on the position of the sun is a solar day. It is 4 minutes longer for a solar day, making the total of 24 hours which we're used to. However, if we can also say that a day takes only 23 hours and 56 minutes if we are using a sidereal day. If we didn't orbit the sun, both days would be the same. Says James O'Donoghue, a planetary scientist at the Japanese Space Agency, JAXA. If we go by solar days in our calendars, we count 365 days in a year. But Earth actually completes a full rotation on each sidereal day 366 times per year. Most commonly, humans tie our daily rhythm to the sun, not the stars. In fact, the stars rise about 4 minutes earlier every day because of our point of reference. Interestingly, twice a year, in March and September, the Earth reaches its equinoxes, with the days and the nights roughly having the same lengths of time. In June and December, the Earth experiences solstices with the longest and shortest days of the year. How does this happen? Join us for the next video to find out how can hours in a day and night differ between months.